Here's a Norelco Philips AM FM shortwave longwave radio from 1964. This is the model L5W34T. I've had this for a couple of years and never done anything with it. It's pretty smashed up, as you can see around the edges. There's wood in here and it's really kind of a wreck. It was never high on my priority list of things to work with. It does have a nice carrying handle and antenna, which is still functional. You couldn't see that, could you? Well, it goes all the way out, but way out of the camera range. It's wood. It's got, I don't know if that's real leather, but some type of leather over it. It has, this is a volume dial. This is a tone dial, and this changes the FM band, and this changes the AM shortwave and longwave bands on the tuning dial. We have our civil defense marks here on the AM dial. Speaker is behind here on the wood. Let's see if we can get a close-up look here of this. On the top we have a light button that'll momentarily illuminate the dial. This is interesting. This is the on and off button, and when it's off it's pressed down, which is kind of the opposite intuitive way I'm used to thinking of things. We have our AFC selector, long wave, AM or broadcast, short wave, finally FM, and then a little light that momentarily blinks when you set the light switch on. Right now I don't have any of the stations selected, so you're not going to hear anything. Excuse me, any of the bands selected. I'll turn that back off for a minute. It's really nothing around on the left side. On the right side we have jacks for a speaker and a portable antenna. I did try my portable car antenna in here to see if I could get any better reception, and I did not. As a matter of fact, I think it was worse. So, on the back, not much here. I'm getting some more damage down here. Carries around to the corners. Let's turn it over and look at the bottom. Well, here's the bottom. You unscrew that little cover to get to the battery compartment, 4 D cells. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Made in Holland. Alright, after unscrewing the carrying handle and various screws around the sides and the back, I was able to get the back off. As I got the back off, various pieces of plastic fell off and out of the chassis, so that's not good, but what can we do? There's my 4 D cells I've got in. And here's the wood inside the back. Not sure what all that means. I suspect that 64 is maybe a production date. And inside here we find the speaker was probably made on the 24th week of 1964. So let's take a little close-up around the chassis here. A lot of you radio people will know this much better than I do. I'd like to figure out why the AM is not working. It's not critical because I don't listen to AM. I have very few AM stations. Reached focus fail. Well, let's close it up. All right, let's take a listen to it here. I know I do not get AM or long wave, of course. As of yet, I haven't gotten any shortwave, but I probably won't. FM comes in pretty strong. I've got the antenna up, so let's turn the volume down here. We'll release that switch till we see the red line. That means it's on. Then we'll press the FM. You see that what difference the tone switch makes. Your bitches wanna shake your tree. We're looking at the dial up here, actually.
B105.7 flashes back to the Cheers, Nick. You had a gun. Kept me get locked up, didn't get mad. I think about damn what a life I had. Most of that shit look back, just laugh. Some shit still look back, get sad. Again, but he still has man from Peru to Japan. They say I'll be okay. And I know and I'm gonna dump this truck and the little I got on a loan to own in a 3-acre lot. Put supper on the stove, man. When you find you bless me.
Budapest on 92.3 WTTS.
Up in the mountains, close to the epicenter, in Sindhupal Chowk, north of here.
Shortwave dial down here. Nothing. AM totally dead, not even static. Of course, long wave, nothing. And here I'll show you the little light. This only blinks momentarily. The dial does light up though. It doesn't look too awesome right now. Let me turn one of these lights off here and see if that helps. A little bit. So, pretty good FM performance, really. I'm very pleased with it. For as bad as the rest of the radio is, the condition of the case and everything. Pieces falling apart. No reception on the other bands, but FM works like a champ. So that's the Philips Norelco L5W34T 9 transistors from 1964. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.